Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start at the printer, power it on, and make sure ink and paper are ready. Press the Setup button to access network settings, because this model prefers direct menu navigation. Once in Setup, select Wireless LAN Setup and then choose Manual Connect if Auto Scan fails. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi SSID and password handy, and verify the router is on too. 4 GHz Canon G3730 often won't connect to 5 GHz networks. Proceed when ready. You will see a list of networks. Select your SSID exactly as it appears to avoid joining a neighbor's network. When prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password slowly and confirm each character. Caps matter, because an incorrect passcode is the most common failure. If WPS is enabled on both devices, you may press the WPS button on the router and then on the printer to pair automatically, but manual entry is more reliable. Once authentication succeeds, after the printer shows connected, print a network settings page to confirm the IP address and connection status. This verifies the router assigned an address. On your computer, run the Canon setup and choose network connection so the driver finds the printer by IP. Make sure your firewall permits the printer software. If you don't connect, restart the router and printer, re-enter the password, and try again. Often a simple reboot clears DHCP or handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.